ICE captures Jamaican fugitive accused of murder in St Lucia. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. U.S. Immigration and Custom Enforcement Agency announced the capture of a fugitive wanted for murder who escaped custody twice in the Caribbean. Orville Andrew Purnell, a 32-year-old Jamaican citizen, was apprehended by ICE, Homeland Security Investigations, and the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms and Explosives Special Agent in Savannah, Georgia, following an extensive investigation and multinational manhunt on April the 4th. Purnell is accused of committing a brutal murder in St Lucia in the year 2020 and had been a fugitive for several years. He escaped from custody in St Lucia during his murder trial and fled to Jamaica in 2021. He was arrested in Jamaica and escaped from custody there as well. U.S. Border Patrol agents encountered Purnell on December 7, 2022 in California after he attempted to enter the United States using a fake identity. He was paroled into the country and given a notice to appear. Purnell is wanted by the St. Lucian police for the murder of Clues Alfred of Revere McCook committed in St. Lucia on August 25, 2020. Alfred's body was discovered in a pool of blood on the roadway after residents reported hearing sounds of gunshots. He was arrested and was in police custody at a station in St. Lucia when he reportedly used a sharp instrument to cut through steel bars and made his escape from a cell, which he shared with 3 other detainees in October 2020. The ICE statement continued that in July of 2023, Purnell was arrested by the Clayton County Sheriff in Clayton County, Georgia, for the possession of a stolen motorcycle and attempted to evade arrest. During the arrest, police discovered a stolen 9mm handgun. We are committed to tracking down fugitives who pose a serious threat to public safety, no matter where they might hide, a ICE special agent in Georgia, Atlanta said. ICE said it was working alongside local authorities when Purnell was arrested after their investigation led them to Savannah area. He was taken into custody without incident. Purnell faces charges of being an alien in possession of a weapon, and after he is extradited back to St. Lucia, he will stand trial for murder. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.